Alam mo ba na mapanganib ang mundo, kaya ugaliin mong matuto? Kamusta kayong lahat? This is Sir Lupet at sa araw na ito, pag-usapan natin ang velocity. Simulan na natin. So, velocity, it is a measure of how fast an object is moving. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga bagay na gumagalaw, lahat ng mga sasakyan na nagta-travel, so, anumang mga bagay na nakikita natin na in motion sa ating kapaligiran, lahat sila ay may kanya-anyang velocity. Kasi velocity yun yung sukatan kung gaano kabilis na gumagalaw ang isang object. Now, ang formula para sa velocity ay distance traveled. So, kung gaano kalayo yung na-travel from this point to this point, yun yung distance traveled. I-divide natin yan sa total time covered. So, meaning ilang seconds or ilang minutes or ilang hours yung kinailangan para ma-reach mula point A papunta sa point B. Especially kapag nagbiyahe kayo, for example. So, let's say 200 kilometers yung na-travel and then ilang oras yung kinailangan para ma-travel yung 200 kilometers. Yeah. So, basically, yung formula is velocity is equal to distance traveled divided by the total time covered, or pwedeng V, the velocity is equal to D, yung distance, divided by the time. And yung mga unit na commonly ginagamit natin to indicate velocity ay pwedeng meters per second, pwedeng kilometers per hour, or yung nakikita yung kph, yun din yung kilometers per hour. Tapos gumagamit ng mga ibang units like feet per minute, feet per second, miles per hour. Yun yung mga English system of units. So, sa next part ng ating video, try natin mag-solve ng velocity given ang distance traveled at ang total time covered. Wait lang. Okay, so meron tayo ditong sample problem for velocity. So, compute the velocity of a bus that covered a distance of 300 kilometers in 5 hours. So, paano yun? So, para ma-solve natin, meron tayo ditong GUFS. So, yung G is yung given, U is yung unknown, F yung formula, and then S is solution. So, dito yung given natin ay dalawa. So, we have itong 300 kilometers, yan yung ating D. At ito namang 5 hours, yan ang ating time. So, ang unknown natin dyan is yung velocity. So, V ang nawawala. So, ano yung formula for velocity? Velocity is equal to distance over time. So, solution, ang distance natin is 300 kilometers. And then, yung ating time is 5 hours. So, using our calculators, to divide lang natin 300 divided by 5, and I guess that's 60. Then, meron tayong kilometers per hour. So, pwede mo nilang ilagay ng kilometers per hour. So, ibig sabihin, ito ang velocity ng bus. So, kung kaya niya mag-cover ng 300 kilometers sa loob ng 5 hours, ang kanyang velocity ay 60 kilometers per hour. So, yan ang ating discussion about velocity. I hope naintindihan ninyo. Kung nagustuhan niyo ating video, paki-like naman and subscribe na rin kayo sa ating channel. So, hanggang dito muna. Maraming salamat. Ingat, nasan ka man. God bless you and goodbye for now.